I knew that if this Marine didn't get help, it could end badly, and I didn't want that to happen. My name is Gunnery Sgt. Aguilar. I'm the Mickey Pack Equal Opportunity Advisor. I was at the three-way stop on Camp Foster near the postal office, and I saw a group of Marines who were PTing. I saw one of them go down, and that's always concerning. So I did end up making a U-turn and pulling right back around. As I pulled up, that Marine looked really bad. I moved anything I had in the back seat, opened up all the car doors, said, "Hey, let's go. I'll take you to the hospital." At the hospital, I stayed with him until we could identify his leadership. So I think a lot of it was, my instinct as a mother, on top of my instincts as a Marine, were what told me that something was wrong. I know that that Marine was somebody's Marine. I knew that that Marine was someone's child. I knew that Marine was out there giving it his all and working hard. We all want to progress and be our better selves. Part of that is drinking water and ensuring we're hydrated. As a EOA, I'm constantly teaching dignity, care, and concern. As long as we continue to treat each other that way and to be concerned, we could save each other all the time. I am so happy that that Marine is okay. And I think that it wasn't a matter of me doing some heroic act that day that saved a Marine's life. It was me intervening on something that I saw that could have gone very wrong.